I'm back. I didn't crack my screen, guys. Crack my dang screen. I ain't doing nothing else no more with this phone like that. You can't see him, that's him right there. I'm gonna step back though, cause I make sure this does not hit the house. If you do this kind of profession, you know what poison ivy is. That shit is no joke. Once you get it, you get it. You get it, you can get rid of it. He's gonna come down and he's gonna take the rope and put it on the other tree to get the tree this he's cutting on to lean this way, fall this way, so it don't hit the house. Let me get up here.